know, what is sound? It has amplitude, it has frequency, it has velocity. Morning.
How are you?
How you doing, man? It's great to see you.
You look a little blue. Just
What's up, man?
How are you?
I like the the Chinese balls where you do that and they don't touch. I do that with my testicles. Yeah.
You look like a guy that likes Chinese balls.
I'm gonna do my Robert Downey Jr.
You say the whole thing.
You guys ready to play the feud?
You know what? I mean, you've heard the term before. Black don't crack.
Wants a shit bowl, you know?
Yeah,
Nobody
because
wants
everyone's sick of the shitball's bullshit.
Lemon and lime is just right, especially after salmon or steak.
Carpenters that kind of it's a Chinese.
Right now, I'm just looking at a blank screen.
You ready to play?
A woman voice.
Maybe it sounds more like a woman when you're actually in the dress.
It's bumping into me during a basketball game. I said,
Period. Bitch.
Talk about this. How long have we talked about this?
I want to talk about it until you get annoyed.
No.
So that's
Yeah,
because
but-
of the topic.
Yeah, but if we can live forever, then why don't you just eat whatever you want?
Killing it for you, boy.